God is the light of the heavens and the earth. The allegory of his light is that of a pillar on which is a lamp. The lamp is within a glass. The glass is like a brilliant planet, fueled by a blessed tree, an olive tree, neither eastern nor western. Its oil would almost illuminate, even if no fire has touched it. Light upon light. God guides to his light whomever he wills. God thus cites the parables for the people. God is cognizant of everything. In houses which God has permitted to be raised, and his name is celebrated therein. He is glorified therein, morning and evening. By men who neither trading nor commerce distracts them from God's remembrance, and from performing the prayers, and from giving alms. They fear a day when hearts and cites are overturned. God will reward them according to the best of what they did, and he will increase them from his bounty. God provides for whomever he wills without reckoning.